Welcome to Harris Farm. My name is Edmund Harris. I'm a farmer in Old Harbour, Colbeck, Old Harbour.
Farm Up Jamaica is here to help reduce the importation of foreign food into Jamaica, increase Jamaican exports, put young people and farmers back to work in sustainable organic farming, and help to reduce crime and poverty by creating opportunities for people who need them most. We call it putting idle hands to idle lands.
I'm kind of specializing in organic farming, and we are doing mainly organic to preserve a more healthier lifestyle pertaining to food security. And we all know what that is mean, and it can help to boost the economy of the country and get people to eat more healthier stuff. Because too many people have been ill now based on, as far as I'm concerned, the chemical have a lot to do with it. So if we can minimize the chemical, I think we all have a healthier society. These fruits are organic fruits. These no chemical go on these. Not sprayed or anything. It's two types of these fruits. You have the sweet one and you have the sour one. These are the Neesberry fruit. It just start bearing. You have the pear. This one don't start bear as yet. These are the cherry. This is the cherry tree. You have cherry in it. It just start bear. It crop kind of half, but it coming in with a second crop. This is one of it.
All organic.
All are organic. This is tamarind, sweet tamarind, very sweet. You can use it, make it tamarind ball and tamarind juice, all of those stuff. You can use it and do it. Also you have the ackee tree. This is the ackee tree. This one young, it start to blossom. As well. Before any breakfast, you get 2 oranges to eat. You can go and pick a grapefruit, you can pick a star fruit, whatever it is you want, you can pick it before even breakfast. And a matter of fact, when you even finish eating all of these fruits, you don't even want to look after any breakfast again because you're already full up. I started out with Farm Up Jamaica about 3-4 years ago, and they are supportive to me because I didn't really know anything much about organic farming. And Farm Up Jamaica come on board through Mr. Curtis, and he teach me a lot. He teach me a lot. He tell me how to go about the organic stuff. And I'm 100% promoting the organic farming through Farm Up Jamaica. They assist me a lot, and I will continue work with them with the program to make Jamaica even a more better place pertaining to farming. My main crop that I really plant is like onion, pepper, pumpkin, all those crops. Those are the main crop that I plant to survive on. Especially the onion. The onion is a very lucrative crop, but it also is a very delicate crop to grow, especially if you are doing it organic. It is a crop it can make you smile all the way to the bank if so be the case. But the key in it, you have to know how to grow it. Onion is a crop that does not compete with weed. It's labor intensive. You have to keep it very clean. And you have to observe it because worm and trips and all those things love it. So you have to deal with that. The more you can keep it clean, the more better it kind of help eliminate the pests from interact with it. The next thing is the disease. It doesn't like when it reach like the second month going up to the third month, you really need much water on it, especially the rainfall. The rainfall is problem for it when it reach those time. Because it no love those things on it, because the rain mainly come with like some form of like acid. Like it burn the leaf them at some point in time. So it does not really love too much of the water, the rainfall on it. The more sunshine I get on it, it's much better. This is a section of the farm that I prepare for do onion. This area start prepare from June. Because doing the onion, you're not using any chemical. You do the steel bed technique. So you plow it up and leave it. It grow up back again. You go back and plow it again until you reach, when you're near to plant, now you bed it up. So you reach the final stage. So this is the final stage now. And this stage now, I plow in the manure in it. And the next step now is to run the hose on it and ready to plant. All these little weeds that is coming up now, when we're ready for plant now, you can just go through, use the whacker and just lick them down. If you notice on the bed itself, have much weed coming up on it. So when you're ready to plant, when you plant now, one thing you don't have that amount of weed to encounter with. Because basically what we normally do is unweeding. And weed. In the interval like these, we use a whacker and cut off the edge them, kill the weed, cut off the weed them, and the bed we go through and weed, pick out the weed them. So before we do this now, before we plant the seed now, what we are going to do, we're going to kind of rake it off little, and all these little weeds that come in on the bed, you're going to kill them. So after you rake it off, these little weeds that coming up will die. So you after that now you run out of hose and you plant. So by the time the weed for really come back, the plant will be at a certain height that it can manage the weed with that coming up. Then you continue and weed it right up until harvest.
So you have done farming using chemical. And you have met Farm Up Jamaica and you have done it the organic way. What is the big difference that you saw doing it the organic way?
Doing it the organic way, you realize that you can able to replant on the same area. You can plant more than one crop on the same area. You reap out the one and the next time around you can plant on it again. When you use the hard chemical, you're not going to get that heel from it. You have to plant it on a different plot. So the organic way, when you plant it on it, you can replant next year again on the same plot, because the organic matter is there and you continue to build it up.
So in terms of durability and flavor, is there any difference too?
Yes, you get a bit of flavor from the organic, because it's all natural. The natural flavor is there. The other way around, one time gone when you usually get onion, buy onion, you don't cut the onion, you usually burn you. Now when you plant onion and you cut onion, you can almost rub it in your eye. You're not getting the heat is not there. When you do the organic way, it have a natural protein in it that come to you. You taste it. You can taste the difference. You can taste the difference in the natural onion than the chemical one. And even the shelf life is much longer than when you use it when you plant it the other way. To be successful in farming, you have to learn about farming. You have to do there's a scientific way, there's a lot to learn, because I didn't just come in farming, I have to learn about farming before I come in it. Because I didn't know anything about farming. And since I learned about farming, right now it is my main business, because farming is a business.
So Farm Up Jamaica is here to help reduce the importation of foreign food into Jamaica, increase Jamaican exports, put young people and farmers back to work in sustainable organic farming, and help to reduce crime and poverty by creating opportunities for people who need them most. We call it putting idle hands to idle lands.